Hey, I'm Haley from Your House Fitness, here to teach you about a lying down pectoralis stretch. Your pecs, or your pectoralis, are that big muscle in your chest, so right in your front. So if you've done a lot of chest presses or push-ups or sun salutations, you might want to give them a stretch. So we're going to start lying down on our stomachs, extending one arm up to the side, right perpendicular to your body. Slowly roll into it. I like to kick my foot over just to support myself. You can let your head relax. Also remember to move slowly up it. So a couple of different angles work here. You can bring your arms a little bit up, a little bit down, or you could even try 90-degree elbow. Okay. A couple other options is you could use some sort of wall or something to put your hand against. We got a bit of a straight arm stretch. I always feel the biggest stretch when I bring my elbow to 90 degrees, right? And I'm rotating away. A couple other options, if you have nothing else to put your hands on, you can swing your hands back behind your back, stretch your arms over your chest. Don't forget to breathe, and don't forget to check out the article if you want to learn more. Have a super awesome day.